Hello friends, welcome to our Rockstar Virat Power YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn a new chapter that is An Epitome of Courage, and in this we firstly complete our chit chat section. This is a very interesting story and you will learn a lot of things from this. Firstly, we will discuss some questions like see, a strange truth is that handicapped are those who refuse to take up challenges even with all their senses and physiology in perfect condition. Understand and discuss the above truth. You have to understand and discuss this truth among your group. What it means, it is like that we should not consider those with physical disabilities as a people who are handicapped, those who are physically fine yet do not have it in them to take up the challenges or work hard in their lives are the ones who are truly handicapped. Are you understand what this point is? I am going to tell you that if you are not utilizing all your powers, all your courage, all your we have five organs like sense organs which give us a knowledge, and if we are only utilizing only one of them and we are not utilizing all of them, then there is a mistake we are doing. And for the handicapped person, beyond they are physically handicapped but they are utilizing whichever they got, that is the real power of them. And the person who is totally fit but not utilizing his all senses is like dumb person ever. How can you encourage such people to change and become confident? Discuss at least 4 to 5 ways you can do the above. If you have any points, you can tell. I tell points according to my mindset. See, firstly, we should treat everyone with respect that they deserve. With respect comes with the confidence. To communicate and to do things, we can motivate them by telling stories, success stories of others similar to them, what can be achieved with a hard work like this one. Then we can show them the merits of a never give up attitude. Next one is like show them how other less fortunate than them have gone ahead because of their positive attitude and ability to take risks. Next one is like there are pleasant and polite ways of referring to people with physical and mental disabilities. Fill in the following table. You have to fill the following table in such a way like see, first is a blind, next is a deaf, another is dumb, mad and lame. We should not use word for that people. If you want to speak the people with a very polite way, students, I had already made a videos to talk anybody with polite way. What is the difference to talking anybody as a rude person and as a polite way? I will tell you the main difference. If you speak anybody in a rude way, the person will not listen your anything next time. Previously he will listen, but for the next time he will totally ignore you. And rather than it, if you talk so politely to any person like he is a too valuable person in this earth, then for the next time whatever you will tell, the person will listen carefully. This is a magic trick how you should talk or how should you do work with the people, collaborating with the people and all that. See, for that purpose you should also know some ethics like see, if a person is blind you should not talk him like you are blind in the way. It is you can use the word like visually challenged. For a deaf person you can use the word like hearing impaired. Then for dumb person you can use like speech impaired, and for the mad person you can use like mentally challenged, and on the other student like lame you can say like physically disabled. In this way, the next question we have to see, like, read the beginning and complete the story in your own words. You have to read the beginning of the story and you have to complete the story in your own words. Sumit, the son of a shoemaker, was a highly intelligent student in municipal school. His math teacher called him Einstein for he was brilliant in maths. He loves maths. Sumit wanted to study further after SSC. However, he suffered from polio and now continued the story with a favorable positive ending. See student, here you have given some points and you have to write the story regarding the point. See, whenever you want to write a story of any passage, anything, you should focus that your story or anything will be like a positive attitude. It must show the positive attitude you have. If you show like a very negative attitude, it will not help you because anybody will no nothing learn from you. That's why you should have to write stories in a positive way. See, he suffered from polio and had a very tough time commuting between his house and his college. To make matter of worse, Sumit had always been teased by his schoolmates because of his disabilities, and he was worried how people would react if he went to college. In his heart, he really wanted to study and become someone important, someone who brings positive change in the society. Unfortunately, what happened? Though due to the continuous glare of others, he had started feeling apprehensive. Luckily for Sumit, his parents were also supportive of his dreams and never let his disability, as he got a disability, but his parent is also supportive. They feel he should complete his dream and never ever see like I am totally lost in this way. In the next one, come in the way providing things for him. Even him school math teacher often visited him and would tell Sumit how he was the best student in the class and the teacher had ever seen. The teacher also motivated him. He told him not to worry about others as of now. If Sumit continued his hard work, people would automatically respect him and someday would be proud to be associated with him. Encouraged by this, Sumit went ahead in his studies. Then, with great difficulties, he traveled to his college, daily worked as hard as he could. His classmates were in awe of his dedication and his abilities in the mathematics. Just as the teacher predicted, Sumit went on to do great things and became one of the most respected students in the college and worked with some of the best minds in the world to solve complex equations in physics. Then, in this way, we have learned all the chit chat section regarding our story. See, this is very interesting story. We will learn and explanation of this story, An Epitome of Courage, in our upcoming video. Thank you. See you soon.